Earn $250 PayPal money watching YouTube videos. Who knew you could make money with PayPal by watching the video? This video will show you how. This is an amazingly successful new approach to earning $250 a day for free a year 2022. Of course, the question is how to do this, and you will learn how to make money with PayPal. Let's get down to the video directly. The first step is to visit youtube.com and search for different videos. Click on one of these videos. In the second step, make sure you're watching a clip for at least 30 seconds after clicking to continue the video. You are finally making money. See evidence of all these true payments from people around the world from all the videos they watched. Now, here's how much money you can make with this strategy. You can earn $5 just by watching one YouTube video. Watch 10 videos and you'll earn $50. Watch 50 videos a day and earn $250. You can potentially earn $250, and what to guess, you can do it as many times as you like and still get paid. Of course, this is 100% real and completely free. YouTube is available worldwide, and now all you need is a mobile phone, laptop or computer. Let's get started. The first thing I would like to ask is that clicking the login button above will take you to this page. If you don't have a YouTube account yet, you can create one for free by clicking this button to create one and choosing your own. From there, you can create a free Google account and log into YouTube. When you log into your YouTube account, you will see the best part of YouTube in the left panel. YouTube displays the best performing videos in the best video categories such as music, sports, games, movies and news. This video introduces a secret strategy that no one talks about. Click on the game and you should see something like this on this page below the games section. There are literally millions of people watching these videos on YouTube, and I don't think they can make a fortune, but I'll show you how. This is exactly how all these guys make huge dollars, over $10, $20 on YouTube. The single video they are watching. As a hint of the first bonus, I would like you to focus on videos in that category Among Us. Among Us is one of the most popular games today, and you can click on Among Us to visit this particular website and find many videos related to the gameplay of Among Us. Please note that one of the live stream videos is currently running, and you only need to click on one of those live videos for the next step. Click this to go to this page, which is live streaming. As you can see, there are many ways to make money directly on YouTube from this type of video. So I'm going to teach you how to make a lot of money from these types of YouTube videos, so keep watching. You can do this for various YouTube videos in this category, so you can convert these YouTube videos to cash. At this point, you need to visit the second website, 7or6.com. Here you can shorten the URL link and turn it into real money. Don't worry, I'll explain. Don't think too much, it's actually much easier than you think. All you need to do is sign up for a free account on 7or6.com and then shorten the different URL links for different YouTube videos. You can quickly explain exactly how to do it and make money with every video. If you watch these YouTube videos, you can find the share button below. You can find the YouTube URL link for this particular game video by clicking the share button. From there, click the copy button to copy the URL link for this YouTube video. Next, you need to return to this website 7or6.com. As you can see, I pasted the URL of this YouTube video into this box and clicked the button. This website automatically converts long YouTube URL links into unique links that are completely new to me. As you can see, you get paid every time someone clicks on this unique link. This is the way all these men can make so much money on our site every day. Once you have made money, you can withdraw it to your PayPal account, Web Money, Perfect Money, Payer and more. There are many payment options to choose from. Before elaborating, subscribe to the channel, and if you've enjoyed the video before, please rate it. And if you find this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. First, return to the home page and click the sign up button to go to this page and sign up for a new 100% free membership available worldwide. Before clicking the register button, please enter your username, email address, create a password and agree to our terms of service and privacy policy. When you sign up for a new account, you'll see the following on your dashboard. From here, click the button above here. Click on it to copy and paste the YouTube URL link, so you can shorten the link and make money. In the second step, all you have to do is go back to the YouTube video, click the share button, copy the URL link, go back to the dashboard and paste the link in place. Then enter the title of the video in Among Us under alias and click the shortened button to get the shortened link. Now go back to YouTube in step 3 and repeat this process for up to 3 or more different videos. Copy and shorten URL links. The more YouTube videos you have, the more money you can make. The next bonus tip I would like to share with you is that you are going to make a lot of money now, so I want you to focus on this particular category. I want you to concentrate on live streaming in particular. Let's move on. Click this video to go to another live streaming video. From there, repeat the same strategy, click the share button to copy it, go to the 7r6.com dashboard and paste the second URL link here. Place it in place Among Us 2 in the alias, and click short. The second link is now successfully shortened. Do you remember what I said? Search for other YouTube videos using the same method, copy the URL and shorten it to 7r6.com. Go to steamcommunity.com as a final step. This is a gaming website or platform where many people discuss different strategies for playing different games. As you can see here, the game Among Us is undergoing various discussions and exchanges. This game is currently in fashion and is played millions of times daily. Therefore, with the help of 7r6.com, this is the best chance to focus on this trend and make a fortune from all these YouTube videos. Basically, you can sign up for a free account on the Steam community, post about Among Us and other popular games, and then share the short link with the Steam community. Through this post, and from there you will get many views from many people who see your link, click on it and watch the video, and you basically have a lot of money in just one video will make. You can make hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars. And that's it. If you like this kind of content, check out the other videos. If you like it, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment below. See you in the next video.